good evening, ma'am. Welcome to the pharmacy. How can I help you?
Hello, good evening to Miss. I would like to consult medication for my skin problem. I have acne and hyperpigmentation on my skin. Also, I experience excessive dryness on my hands and legs.
Oh, sure. No problem, ma'am. Beforehand, let me introduce myself first. My name is Davina Shafitri and I am the pharmacist on duty today. May I know your name, please?
My name is Emily Sage, Miss.
Alright, Miss Emily, since you would like to consult about your skin problem, would you mind if we did a 10-minute counseling session so that we can find out the most suitable medication for your skin problem?
Sure, I don't mind.
Thank you for your cooperation, Miss. Do you want to move to a counseling room so that we can do the counseling session undisturbed, or do you want to have the counseling here?
I guess moving to a counseling room is better.
Alright, please follow me to the room, please.
Okay.
Now, Miss Emily, before we continue, I would like to explain again about the counseling session. So I would ask you several questions about your health condition, and based on that information, I will assess the best medication for your skin problem. If you have any question, feel free to interrupt. Do you consent if I write out this entire conversation in this counseling? But don't worry, your data is safe with me, and I will not expose this to the third party.
Yes, I consent.
Alright, Miss Emily, may I know your age, weight, and height currently?
I'm currently 28 years old. My weight is around 16 kilograms and my height is around 164 centimeters.
You mentioned before that you experience acne, hyperpigmentation, and also excessive skin dryness. How long have you had it, and have you ever consulted this to the doctor?
Actually, I was diagnosed with acne when I visited dermatologist 4 years ago. The doctor prescribed me with retinoid cream 0.5%. However, after applying that, I noticed increased acne and breakout and even skin tone. Also, I found out that the cream is not suitable for pregnancy. Is that true?
Unfortunately, yes, Miss, the cream isn't suitable for pregnancy. But don't worry, I will recommend you the better and safer options for your acne.
Thank God!
Miss Emily, did the doctor explain about the medication before?
She told me about that, but I can't forget it was years ago.
Alright. Then did the doctor tell you about how to use the cream?
Yes, she already told me that.
Okay, then did the doctor tell you about the treatment goal before?
She told me that the cream was used to treat my acne.
Okay, Miss Emily, do you currently take certain medications before?
Yes, I had asthma, so I regularly take Ventolin when necessary. I was also prescribed Ferroglobin capsule and iron supplements for my mild and iron deficiency. For my skin, I use vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum, facial toner, and Japanese cherry blossom body lotion.
Okay, then did you have any history of illnesses before?
Yeah, as I mentioned, I had asthma, acne, and iron deficiency, but I have also had eczema since I was born.
Alright, then do you have any allergies?
Well, I'm allergic to dust and pollen. Usually, I will worsen during spring. I'm also lactose intolerant, allergic to salicylic acid.
Alright, Miss Emily, can you explain to me about your daily activities?
Well, I spend most of my day sitting and working on my laptop. I used to exercise regularly by walking every evening, but I hardly do that now since I'm getting busy.
Okay, so you stopped exercising right now. And then can you explain to me about your dietary habits?
I avoid dairy products due to my allergy.
Okay, did any member of your family have similar illnesses before?
My father has a history of mild asthma. My mother has a history of acne too. My grandma, as far as I remember, had experienced hormonal imbalance.
Miss Emily, so you are currently pregnant, are you?
Yes, I'm 12 weeks pregnant right now.
Oh, you are 12 weeks pregnant right now. Do you have any pregnancy discomfort so far?
Yes, this day I often feel fatigue and low energy. I also often feel anxious.
I see. Then, if I might ask, did you perhaps drink alcohol or smoke?
It's alright, I neither drink or smoke.
Okay, thank you for your cooperation, Miss Emily. Please excuse me for a moment. I will have your medications ready. Okay, thank you, Miss Emily, for waiting. Based on my assessment of your condition, I would address some points. First, I will talk about your asthma condition. As a matter of fact, using Ventolin is no longer recommended. So I suggest Miss Emily to change your medication to ICS formoterol. But before you change to the ICS formoterol, please consult this to the doctor before.
Alright, I will address the problem to the doctor when I consult about this.
That's good to hear. Tretinoin cream is strongly avoided since it gives you side effects and isn't very suitable for pregnancy. Therefore, I recommend you to use this cream 2 times a day in morning and at night. It contains niacinamide, azelaic acid, and hyaluronic acid that will help you to fix and control your skin problem, including acne, hyperpigmentation, and dryness. The ingredient is relatively safe to be used, however, some people may experience skin irritation. But don't worry, it doesn't apply to all patients. Also, please store the cream at room temperature and away from direct sunlight. You can use the cream 35 days after open the container. Are we clear now?
Yes, it's very clear.
And as for your skin dryness, I also recommend you to change your body lotion since it has fragrance that is not really suitable for eczema. So, I recommend you to use this CeraVe Intensive Moisturizing Lotion since it has no fragrance and is suitable for eczema. You can apply it after taking a bath and whenever you feel your skin is dry.
Okay, I got it. So, how about my other skincare? Should I stop it or continue to apply?
Yes, you can keep using your toner as well as hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum. In order to help you with your medication, I strongly recommend you to use this app called Wellness Wave. It has so many features to assist you with your condition. You can consult your health problem with professionals through this app, and it also features online pharmacy.
Seems interesting.
Good, since you have no questions about the treatment you will get, could you please repeat what I have explained before about your treatment?
So basically, I should consult a doctor about my asthma treatment, and for my skin problem, I will use cream that contain niacinamide, azelaic acid, and hyaluronic acid 2 times a day in the morning and the night. Store at the cream at room temperature. Use it for 35 days. After removing the seal, I can keep using my serum and toner. I should avoid asthma and eczema triggers. Exercise, eat healthy, and reduce stress.
Alright, thank you Miss Emily. I would also like to tell you that if something happened during your therapy or you want to consult about your health problem again, you can use the app that I mentioned before, or you can also contact this pharmacy again and visit the doctor for further examination.
Okay.
Alright, Miss Emily, this is your cream. They are still in good condition as you can see.
That's a relief.
Miss Emily, I sincerely wish for your improved conditions. Thank you for visiting our pharmacy. Good evening.
Thank you and good evening too.